Hari Om, Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. In Valmiki Ramayanam, Hanuman's introduction is done in the second sarga of Kishkinda Kanda. Rama and Lakshmana, they enter into the Rishamukha Parvata area near the mountain in search for Sita Devi. Kabanda advises them to travel south and to make friends with Sugriva. So they arrive in the Rishamukha Parvata area. Upon seeing their well-built bodies, their charming faces and their weapons, Sugriva gets worried. He thought they were spies sent by his brother Vali to kill him. We are all well aware of the story, so we all know the enmity between Vali and Sugriva. So I'm not going to digress into the story, but when Sugriva sees Rama and Lakshmana, then he says, Etau vanam idam durgam vali pranihitau dhruvam chadmana chiravasanau pracharantau iha agatau. So Sugriva is saying, here they come wearing saffron clothes and they move about in this impenetrable forest deceitfully. Definitely Vali must have sent them. Then Sugriva and the other monkey warriors who are his associates, they get very worried and very distressed. They start jumping from one mountain to another, trying to escape, trying to run away. Then Hanuman, who is very calm, very composed, very collected, and who is capable of building this very well-framed sentences, he then says to Sugriva, Sambhrama Tyajatam esha sarvaih valikrite mahan malayoyam girivaro bhayam naiha asti valinaha. So what he is saying to Sugriva is, dust off your anxiety and do not worry. Cast off that great fear about Vali or his cruelty. There is no scare or nothing to worry from Vali here on this best of the mountains. So Hanuman's introduction words in this great epic are Sambhrama Tyajatam esha, which means do not worry, let go of your anxiety. Since then till now and in future. That is the assurance that Lord Hanuman gives to everyone. Not to worry. Sage Valmiki reinstated that assurance for us by making Hanuman's first words these excellent assuring words, Sambhrama Tyajatam esha. Hanuman then spoke encouraging words to uplift the spirits of Sugriva. So many such instances throughout the story of Ramayana where Hanuman takes over the situation and relieves the distress of everyone around him. Such is the greatness of Lord Hanuman. Just by saying his name and thinking of him with devotion, all the fears disappear. It builds that inner strength and confidence. So for that inner strength and confidence, always pray to Lord Hanuman. Make your kids aware of these great stories of Hanuman. Teach them the importance of praying to Lord Hanuman. It tremendously helps in building a strong personality and shaping up a bright future for them. So let's all dust our worries, ward off our fears, as mentioned by Hanuman, Sambhrama Tyajatam esha, and happily say the words, Jai Shri Ram. Hari Om. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu.